Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fail to send message in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to send message, you see that your message doesn't send, or you see the message that you are failed to send message. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So basically, sometime it happened when the other person has been blocked you. But if the other person has not blocked you or is still facing the same issue, so it might be a network issue, you can easily fix that by fixing or refreshing the network. Now to do that, you just have to scroll down the control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open the settings app. Here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find unconnected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, go back from here, open your app store, go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here and retry to send message or to check that your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to keep a long press on your Instagram app and then select remove app and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete app again. It will completely uninstall Instagram app from your iPhone or your Android, and after uninstalling you have to open your app store or Play Store and retry to download your Instagram app. Or the further thing, you can try to offload your app in your iPhone or clear app cache in your Android. So go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app. After offloading, you have to simply reinstall the app, and after reinstallation your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware and your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this tab, and after that you will not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.